Is the Donner DP20 a good digital piano for a beginner? The short answer: yes, it can be a solid choice for a beginner. But let's dive in a little bit. First off, congrats on your retirement and on picking up a new hobby. Music can be incredibly therapeutic and fulfilling, especially during these indoor-centric times. Now, the Donner DEP20, it's one of those instruments that offers a lot for an attractive price, making it a decent entry point for new pianists. The DEP20 comes with 88 full-sized keys, which is a must if you're serious about learning proper technique and eventually transitioning to an acoustic piano. The weighted keys are also a plus, because they simulate the resistance you'd feel on an acoustic piano. That's going to be super important for developing finger strength and dynamics in your playing. Sound-wise, it's pretty good for the price. Does it perfectly mimic a Steinway Grand? No, but it's not supposed to. It's good for practice and nailing down the basics. Plus, it offers a variety of sounds and built-in learning tools which can keep the process interesting for you. Portability and connectivity are also things to consider. It's not as portable as a keyboard, but it's still movable if you need to shuffle around your home. And with USB MIDI connectivity, you can hook it up to your computer to use learning software or record your progress, which is pretty neat. Here's the thing though, as your skills progress, you may find yourself wanting more from your instrument. The action of the keys, the quality of the sound, the pedaling. It might feel limiting down the line, but by then, you'll have a much better idea of what you're looking for in a piano. In a nutshell, the Donner DEP20 is a respectable choice for a beginner. It ticks all the boxes for someone just starting out and offers room to grow before you need to consider a significant upgrade. And since you're in Portland, make sure to check some local music shops too. They might have other recommendations or bundle deals that could be worth exploring. Just remember, the best piano is the one that gets played. So whichever digital piano you settle on, the real victory is in the daily journey of learning and enjoying music. Keep those fingers moving.